Ka eksam NEET Ri Bhoi kabalong ha kasantrik jemang kelawan ra jeng kelumar jengmet ya ki samla baya kun ya ka eksam hadin bami pau artli ki jingkylli ha ka center ha Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo Ri Bhoi District. Laya thu bagi samla puli ki baya kun ya ka ni ka eksam kila yo artli ki jingkylli kawe na State Bank of India bat kawe pat na Canara Bank. Kat kum ka jingat thu ki samla ki baya kun ya ka exam labatha ya ki banjubab artli ki jingkylli Henry hadien pat la ong bakawe na ki jingkylli kadei ka bakla kane kala pen pisa penling a ya ki samla puli namar bakila penrat ka ya ka por banjubab kane kala penlong ya ki samla puli bakim la shu ban pendap hapo ka por bat ban ya kun ya ka nyos pa arpo marks kikmi kikpa jong ki samla puli ki pas ngukya ya kani ka jingja kilalet sha ka center ha ka henry ter jemang ban kerpat ban ailat ban yakun biang ya ka exam kakong WK Block Code Examination Center kala kubur bakadan ka jing bakla ha ka jingkylli bat kila persyang ban wat jing tip na ka NTA henry kim shim la yo satya kakong bla kala kentui ki kemi ki kpa bat ki samla ban tho sya ka NTA ban kerpat ban ailat biang ban yale ya ka examen
nangkok ni kisam atli ka paper ha ka jo por te habang ikli ya ki kano bangin de ban tho ki ong ban tho lang baro al te ngila kali hi ban ong ban tho shwa ka e ki ong tho lang baro al tingir ngi tho lang baro al ke ki don ki ba tho shwa ka to ka ba dei don ki ba tho shwa ka bom dei begitu ki bom batho pare ka bom dei pat kilong ki shuan ong no pat hamar siteng jong ka exam bakam deir ka to tho no ka to ka ba r1 te kum nong in tho pat ban pendap ya ka to hamar siteng jong ka exam baru ka por kin ai khndiat bha ka extra yang ni aba long bakan shai bat ban tho be yang sesisin nama khnang bangin su tho ya ka e ka balaj bat ka e ka bade
विजिलेटर ने पहले 2 पेपर दिया, 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर, फिर उन लोगों ने हम लोगों ने पूछा कि ये 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर से कौन सा करना है, तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि हमें नहीं पता, हमें बस उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है। तो ठीक है, हम लोगों ने दोनों कर लिया। मुझे 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला था, एक था S1 और एक था 02। तो मैंने पहले किया 02 को, तो 02 मेरा आधा हो चुका था। आफ्टर 1.5 आवर वो लोग बोला कि ये 02 को नहीं करना है, S1 को करना है। तो मेरे पास बचा टाइम सिर्फ 1.5 आवर था। तो 1.5 आवर में तो उतना 720 मार्क्स कंप्लीट करना बहुत मुश्किल था। तो वी जस्ट डिमांड कि हमें एक्स्ट्रा फिर से एग्ज़ाम लिखने का मौका मिलना चाहिए। मतलब कि हम लोगों ने टाइम तो नहीं मांगा, बट हुआ ऐसा कि होल ईयर हम लोगों ने वो प्लान कर लिया कि यस 3 आवर्स एग्ज़ाम होगा, 720 मार्क्स। देन सडनली उन लोगों ने बोला नहीं, सिर्फ एक पेपर करना है 1.5 आवर में। तो वो कुछ ऐसा हिट किया कि मतलब वी कांट डू एनीथिंग एनीमोर, फ्रीज हो गया माइंड वहाँ।
Idai ba kata jingja ba la jahnin long ba hadin ba ki khna kilami da exam kadan ke jing ayam ke jing susi sene sabar te habang ila tabat jingmut matkli I balai bala ja kumta nagal yang ki ong bang kilami on pandap lut pan thok de exam namar ba ga jaka ba kapor kan nong lai kanta na banta news pa forma ki ha bana te mang jing sha khat saus pa sang forma te anda bang ila kli ba ini khna ki ong ba don ki ba thok da kata ka arwon kabade gane ka we badon ke bathok dagane ka R2 kane gade ka R1 kane gade ka N2 te kina hagama sedang gila thok dagane ka ping kabade ka N2 gila jandap mo gila thok dagane ka N2 gila jandap almost complete te siteng ne ka porpat naga yang ngine ki bot nya yang nen kat instructor ki ong ba kane kam desu cancel no bathok bade dagane ka R1 te haga por ba gila sedang thok ine ka R1 pat ka por ga langkot palat yo por satang ko maskin tai dan nagal yang nyuki ki ai por tang arpo minit men penda banto news pa arpo mak tang sikenta arpo minit lalong ke ka ba than ni khna jadi nei tai dau hadin bal awai ka tai ngilang ke lu principal ang ne te principal I ong ba kamle ki jing bakla ne le khnang namar ba nagal yang jong ki bor ba dei pha na NTA ki pha art ligi set kata ga we na Canara Bank ka ba dei gane ba na SBI ka ba dei gane ka ba stem ne te kila cancel no bat kila ong kumta bade bela ikna te haita ipor balangkot ngilawan kendu I mla on sim no ka destination mo te kane ki priang bat kane ki cancel te habang ngai kendu I principal I mla ban ai kano ka clarification habi dei bat kira ki kina te ki si ong bat ka jing bakala ka di nangta te ha ka basdang ngir orang yang ngila ong hito si hun la ka hun ne komno ande anda bang ila lit saying ngilap i phun lagi we phun call don ki basu si don ki bala yam don ki ba bom thia dem su naga dau ba kimi tho da kata ka exam ni te kan ne pi kala penlong ya ki kimi ki pa penlong artetin baka ne ka jing kandok ene ka exam nang baka ne ka NTA kala long ka jing bomhon kala long on fair means mo kala long jing bomhon te bang ta bat kalawe jang ki khna hawe de baka pule dang le jang ki kala long ka pop na ki pop ko sniu tam ma bang ngimla ban ya sacrifice de bat ka future jang ki khna te lengba jang ki ne inten te nang liang jang ni ngilai kendu ya imam bang ngilai ya rai lang menta ban da ka we ki jing mut kat i madam nang ne bade sentar kut bat mangi ki kimi pa jang ki ne khna bangin hak segi bor de pet rangkat ki signature jing khna school ne ki khna ele kena NEET bakin san bat tho ikerteng baki school jing.
Me as a brother, I feel very concerned about a student who attempted NEET UG yesterday, because regarding the distribution of paper, two set of paper, in which one is false, one is the correct one. So like there's in which my sister or brother who read the examination yesterday, after coming out they cry and they feel very bad. Then I was asking them what happened. Then they tell me that they got two set of paper, in which one they attempt more than 2 hours. So before starting the examination, they are asking which one should write. Invigilator is telling that they should write both the paper. So the student obviously they know they give two set of paper, then they choose the easily one. Then like 1.5 hours. After 2 hours like that, they came and said that the one you are writing is wrong, so you should change the set of paper. Then the student they tried to complete as far as the end. Then to complete it, to complete the 720 marks within 1 hour 20 minutes is impossible. So they feel very sad after completed the exam. They came and complained us as the parent or brother. Me as a brother, my demand is to the NTA, they should re-exam again the student who had a failure yesterday. Then and they should consider it, because they don't send any expert from their side. Then they should have some solution to solve the issue. Yeah.
Number one, actually we were very happy as a school to accept Center for the NEET exams, because we thought that we can serve our people around this area better. They won't have to go far away anywhere like in that way. We were very, readily accepted the thing, that the responsibility, and we said we will go ahead with it. Then we had prepared. Of course, we did not get to go for the orientation program call to Delhi, because it was not possible. Short notice they had given, and we are not free also to go there. And then number two is that we had tried to go for orientation online, but the thing is always full. We really did not get, literally. So with the number of institutions that they have, the centers all over the country. So what happened is we had strictly read the guidelines given by the NTA. We had followed strictly by those, and there was nowhere in the guideline that we will be given two sets of questions. And so we informed the Deputy Commissioner. He had appointed a magistrate to follow an order. He had written to the SP for security, and then for all uninterrupted supply of power and the Wi-Fi connection and all of that stuff. They were very helpful and supportive, and then we were happy. And then on Friday, the SBI branch manager called me and said, "Ma'am, you can come and collect the NTA parcel on Sunday, 1 hour before exams." I said, "Fine, okay, 1 o'clock I'll come." And then Saturday he sent a message. He said, as per NTA guidelines, you can collect even at 9 o'clock. So we don't want to keep the people for too long in the bank. And then so I said, okay, fine, I'll come and collect at 9 o'clock on Sunday morning. Then yesterday morning, that was Sunday, I got a call from the branch manager of the Canara Bank. And he said, ma'am, there's a parcel for you in connection with NTA NEET exams. I said, okay. Being the first time, I thought I had just to go and collect it. So went and collected the box, the parcel from the Canara Bank as well. So we came here, I think the box could not be opened until 1:15. And so like that. And then after opening the box, everything was set, the biometric team had come, frisking was done, all of that thing, the rooms were set and all. And then we opened the box, and what happened is we found both the boxes, and we found that there are two sets of questions of 720 marks each. So we said maybe since I tried calling the director of NTA, sending message to them. Absolutely, I find that there's such lack of communication from their side. So then I said maybe the students who had gone for coaching, I think they know that they will be getting two sets, and maybe the easier one they'll choose, and then they'll submit accordingly. And then when the exam started, and then about another 1 hour plus, I got somehow to call the thing, because I checked with the attendance sheet, the sheet of the students. I think there's only one place to fill up the kata, the thing. So I said I should somehow get them. I called some people from NTA who are they said no, we are not in the exams. Exam people will know. So somehow I got the director, Mr. Vijay Kumar. I got him and he said, oh, he just said, you should have given the SBI question bank. I said, so we didn't know.
Which is the correct one?
Maybe, according to him. We didn't know because we got two boxes. Nobody had told us that do this or do that. And so if I don't give to the students, it's like a bank one or SBI, and it's depriving the students. But then whatever it is, we had served the SBI set of questions first. Then sometimes we give the Canara Bank set of questions. And then I think then afterwards, when I got about 1 hour plus, I got the director. Then he said, oh, you give only the SBI one, like that. Then I said, okay. Then we went back, collected the papers of the Canara box, so to say. Let me just say that to make it simpler. So collected them, but some students had done that first. Okay, so but then others, they had started with State Bank. Not all of them are we gave the first one, they had gone.
According to the trees.
Yes. And then when when time came, like 5:30 and all that, I said, okay, we made there was a slight confusion there a bit, so we'll give them extended time. So I went to the rooms and I just said, okay, it's time for us to close. That was before 6 o'clock. It's time for us to close, but let's do it, because I think none of them stood up and say, ma'am or sir, we have not completed. It would have been very nice if students had stood up and say, ma'am, we have not done. Okay, maybe they're scared or confused, quoting that. Also, I cannot blame the students. But the thing is, NTA should have given a strict instruction or whatever. Communication is so much lacking. Till now, we don't know what to do with the box that's already here, packed. Yes, we had done all videography, we had done photography, everything's done. And I apologize to the parents from the center side because of the a slight hitch there. It was not intentional. We actually, as a center, we want to help our own people in this area, and we are very happy to serve. And we look forward to the NTA having more communication with all the centers. And I think there are other centers which made more previous mistake.
Yes.
In fact, as it is, which is very sad. So we have the parents here who had come just now, the delegation of parents and some students, and they wanted us to communicate with NTA whether they can sit and resit for the exams, the same exams or not. So for us, we want to help. If NTA allows, we can conduct the exams again. anytime.
From your statements, you are trying to
So I told the parents, I said, write an application of some sort, a memorandum of some sort, because unless they write, I cannot forward anything, I cannot communicate anything. So they have to give me in official, an official memorandum and say like that happened, and that's what they wanted. So the same thing I will communicate with NTA, the city coordinator, which I don't know who is. Yes. And the ones who had come here from NTA are not for the exams. They had come just for, the preparing
arrangement.
the arrangement.